Well guys, an update. Truck's together, it's moving. I'm working on the exhaust right now, in case you couldn't tell. Here's the left side. I done run out of parts. Here's the right side. Hoping you can see it, it's getting dark. I'm running out of light. And I ran out of parts, so I'll get the left side up there also. And I went with the oh my god, I forgot what they are. They're flowmasters, but I kind of like the way it sounds. Yeah, let's see. Since we're on the since I got the exhaust on the ground, here, tell me what you think of the sound. Anyway, hope you saw the flames.